Let's now discuss latent Dirichlet allocation and exactly how this algorithm works. Let's take an example from the last lesson. We have a collection of news articles we want to classify into different topics. So this could be politics news, sport news, business news, etc. How do we decide which document is about which topic? Well, we can look at the words they use. So for example, words such as ball, player, match, game. If these words appear many times in the document, we can probably take a guess that this article is going to be about sports news. Some words are going to be more relevant to the topic, and some words can occur in more than one topic. So for example, the word crash could be related to traffic news or financial news. We say that the topic is latent within the document. We must examine the words within it to discover the topic of that piece of text. A document can obviously contain words from more than one topic, but we make the assumption that it's mainly focused on a single topic with only a few words relating to other different topics. This is our Dirichlet distribution. So we have an understanding of what we mean by latent topics and our Dirichlet distribution. LDA then works as an iterative process, where we first specify the number of topics that we want as k. The first iteration of the algorithm is where words in the document are randomly assigned to one of the k topics. We then move to the second iteration, where we go through each individual word in the document. We assume that all of the words are correctly assigned to a topic, and we try to correct the current words we're looking at's topic assignment. LDA corrects the assignment by looking at the proportion of words in the current document assigned to a topic, and the number of times that this word is assigned to a specific topic in other documents. The algorithm iterates through this process multiple times until it reaches a steady state. It then gives us the final topic assignments for us to investigate. Now let's go to our notebook and see what this looks like in code.